Do you want to grow lots of zucchini? Zucchini that you can plant once in spring and harvest all throughout the summer all the way into fall.
Hello everyone, this is Jag. Well, in this video I'm going to share just one pruning tip with you that will increase your zucchini production by many folds. So let's get started. So I have 8 zucchini plants here and they are producing a lot of zucchini. However, what happens with zucchini is that in the beginning of the season you'll get lots of zucchini. Then later on in the season you get powdery mildew, zucchini production tapers off, and you're wondering why. Well, the main reason is that there's not enough airflow, the zucchinis are not getting enough sunlight, and not enough pollination as well. So if you prune your zucchini plants, that will help to increase the zucchini production. And let me show you how you can do that. Now usually you want to space your zucchini plants at least 3 to 4 feet apart so they can get enough sunlight and enough airflow as well. However, I planted these at 2 feet apart because my tomatoes are at 2 feet apart. So I've been pruning these, taking care of these, and they're producing a lot. So let me show you what I'm doing to manage these plants so that they keep producing. Now when I prune my zucchini plants, I use very sharp and clean shears. Now the very first thing I want to do is take off any leaves that are hitting the ground. So any leaves that are touching the ground, I'm going to get rid of them because they're just going to produce a lot more disease. Now the second thing I do is get rid of any overlapping leaves. So you don't want leaves to shade out each other, and you don't want crisscrossing leaves in between the zucchini plants either. So I take off any leaves that are crisscrossing and any leaves that are touching the ground. I also take off any leaves that are already going bad, that have already fulfilled the purpose of their life. The zucchini plants are self-pollinating. They have a male and a female flower. However, they do depend on bees and other pollinators for pollination. The bees and other pollinators have to carry the pollen from the male flower to the female flower to successfully produce a zucchini. Here's some flowers. So this is a male flower. It has a very spindly stem. So very thin stem that makes a male flower. And now this is a female flower. It already has a little bit of squash growing right there. So a thicker stem means a female flower and a thinner stem means a male flower. A fun fact, if you have zucchini and squash growing and the zucchini and squash just becomes a little bit bigger and just dries up, it's because it did not get proper pollination. So you must have bees or use hand pollination techniques to properly pollinate squash in order to produce bigger squash. So if your zucchini plants are overgrown and the flowers are hiding in between the zucchini plants, the pollinators may have trouble finding these flowers and you may not get adequate pollination and you may not get enough zucchini. Female flowers contain this immature fruit. So if this is not properly pollinated, the fruit will not grow. Properly pollinated flowers will grow beautiful zucchinis and squash. Keeping the zucchini plants pruned not only provides air circulation and airflow, it also helps pollinator identify and find flowers quickly as well. This way, your plants can produce a lot of zucchini. Now, you can plant zucchinis in succession and plant zucchinis every month or every other month to prolong your zucchini season. However, if you do take care of your zucchini plants, they will keep producing all the way till first frost. So prune your zucchini plants, keep them healthy, and also encourage pollinators to find your flowers easily and produce a lot of zucchini.
If you like this video, subscribe and also check out this video on growing squash and this one on growing lots of okra. And I'll see you in another video.